Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue our data structure series with bubble sort program. Bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm. It works simply by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements if they are in wrong order. Let's understand it by taking an example. First we have 5 numbers. Let's suppose 5, 1, 4, 2 and 8. We have to arrange it in ascending order. So in bubble sort we will first compare 5 and 1. Since 5 is greater than 1, so it will be swapped, so it will become like this. And in next page we will compare 5 and 4. Since 5 is greater than 4, it will swapped again. And in next page we will again check 5 and 2. Since 5 is greater than 2, so it will be swapped again. And at last it will be checked 5 and 8. Since 5 is not greater than 8, so it will stay as it is. In second pass it will check 1 and 4, similar as in first pass. It will go through 5 pass because we have 5 numbers here, and it will swap by comparing the numbers adjacent to them and swapping them. Decoding of bubble sort, we will define a class. Let's call it as b sort. We will define a variable, list variable. It will be empty initially, and we will define a function insert to insert the value into the list. We will take input from the user. Let's call it val. It will be of integer type so that we can compare the values for sorting. Now we will just append these values in the list named data. Append value. Now we will put a loop here. Not a loop, we will just give choices for the users. One to enter another data, and 2 to go to the main menu. Now we need to create our if else statement. If choice equals to 1, then we will recall the function insert, self.insert. If elif choice equals to 2, we will return from the function. Else means user have entered something wrong, so we will print wrong choice. Now we will define our function to sort the values. Let's call it as sort b. Sort b for bubble. We will take a variable total which will contain the length of the list, self.data. Now we will put it in a loop for I in range total. Total should be in bracket, I in range bracket total. It will take from 0 to total, and increment will be of 1 at a time. Then we will start another loop, j in range, and we do 2 loops because we want to compare. We want to take one variable and compare with its next, its next and so on. And same for the next variable. Now we will compare if self.data at j is greater than self.data at j plus 1. Then we will swap self.data at j with self.data at j plus 1. So self.data at j comma self.data at j plus 1 equals to self.data at j plus 1 comma self.data at j data at j. So swapping is done. Our sorting function will end here. Now we will create display function. Display. Here we will just call our sort function, sort b, and print sorted data is. We will start a loop for I in self.data, and we will just print I. Now we need to create our main function. We can copy it from our B tree. Just copy it and paste it here. Now we need to change some things. This will become B sort, and here we haven't given any deleting options, so we will remove it. Now we will remove it. And it will be 3 to exit. Now we need to do some changes here too. This del node will become display, and we will remove this part. 3 to exit, and we will print bye here. Bye bye, like bye bye. An error if user enters something else. Now I will run the function. If you learned anything from the video, please give a like, and if you have any doubt, please drop it into the comment section, and thanks for watching.